once again, hello and welcome to this tutorial. Do you guys need ranking on Google? Do you guys want to get on top of Google? Well, all the questions is answered. Look at this website. Look how this website rank well in just 3 days. And I'm gonna show you how it ranks so well. I have to put it on the website as well. So look, as you can see, say Seo Search Engine. You can read right here and see this tool. I use this tool by clicking this button. It's gonna navigate me to the site that I bought the tool from. It's so amazing. You guys gonna be on top of Google in just couple of minutes or even seconds. This site is so amazing. All I do is just purchase one of these and voila, I'm on top of Google.
1,260 new links every single month and see a guaranteed increase in your Google ranking for whatever keyword you want. Or pay nothing and keep all of your links for free. Links, links, links.
I'm gonna pause that for a minute. It's so amazing. You guys come and check it out. It's incredible. I'm gonna put a link in the description that you guys can get to it. You know, that's it. You guys don't need to focus on SEO again. Let they do the work for you. It's so amazing. I get so much traffic now when I use this. So get on over there and get one of these, and I bet your ranking will increase in just a couple of minutes. So goodbye.